He's the Vice President, Sales and Business Development at Neopharm. His topic today is Gordian's novel solution, closure access system in laparoscopic surgeries. So just as a blurb, with TrueClose, Gordian Surgical has advanced surgical port access wound closure for laparoscopic surgeries. Gordian's FDA cleared CE mark TrueClose 1200 is designed to be safe, simple, and secure. Over to you, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much for the introduction, and I will share the screen with you guys. So let's share the screen. Okay. So can you see it?
Yeah. Yes, we can see it now.
Let's see.
The full screen.
Okay. So thank you again for hosting us in this event. We are really happy to be a part of it. And I introduce myself. Myself is Eran, and I'm the Vice President in Neopharm for Sales and Business Development. And next to me is Ophir, my colleague. He is in charge of the India desk. So today, in this time today, this topic, we will speak about who is Neopharm and what Neopharm can give you or the audience now today that through the Zoom, what we can share with you and bringing you to the Indian market. So who is Neopharm? Neopharm is a dominant player, distributor company. We are working in the Israeli field for more than 30 years now. We founded in 1985. And we have a strong relationship with a physician, with the KOL, with a key opinion leader in the market. Our team is, we carry in our team, we have very experienced team and expertise. And our expertise, it's in identify the market needs. We're working with a surgeon, we're working with a physician, and we know what they need. And this is, we're going, in a regular time when we can go into flights and go aboard, and we can, and not in a pandemic time, we are looking for a new opportunity to bring into the Israeli market. This is what we are strong in. So this is Neopharm. It's a private company, and we have a great financial strength and stability, as I told you, more than 30 years. And I would like to share with you a little bit just the company structure. So the company Neopharm Medical and Supplies, we have a few divisions. We have the IVF division, you can see here on your left. We have the surgical division, which divide to two small divisions. We have vascular intervention division, which selling products for the interventional product, of course, and neurologic intervention division. And lately, we add the India desk, which Ophir is leading it. So what is India desk? We will tell you in a few minutes. So before this, we would like to show you who is our partners in the world, in the US, in Europe, and in Israel. So today, this is just what you see here. It's just some of them, a few sample of the people, of the companies that we're working with. So you can see here, the Gordian Surgical, which is an Israeli company, which we represent here in Israel. And I can tell you that here in Israel, it's a game changer, and we would like to share with you the success in India. So just a few slides on the Gordian solution. So what is Gordian? So what's Gordian offer? Gordian offer the next generation in laparoscopic closure access system. We are working, our professionality is in laparoscopic and endoscopic surgeries. And what is the solution? What is the problem before we giving the solution? We will speak in a minute. So what our achievement is, we have few achievements, but the big of them, you can see here on the bottom, that we raised, the Gordian people raised 10 million US dollar, and we are sharing with B. Braun. I don't know how you're familiar with B. Braun. B. Braun is a big name in the European market, and they are doing the distributing for Gordian in Europe to show you how strong is the product in Europe. And of course, we have all the FDA clearance and the CE mark, and also the Israeli approval also. So I would like to show you what is the problem that we are talking about. So I don't know how familiar with the procedure in the OR. I'm spending a lot of time in the OR and my team in the OR, and we can tell you that after a big surgery, you would like to close the port. So usually today, this time, you're closing the port in in a manual with suture. This is what we're doing today, what the surgeon doing today, and we can see that we have in the market few closure devices. So, but these closure devices, they are sharp, they can cause trauma, and even perforated, the iliac. So Gordian came with a new solution. The new solution is a device which giving you, this is the game changer that we spoke. It's a game changer. Why it's a game changer? Because it's a trocar. Trocar is the port that's getting into the body when you're having a laparoscopic endoscopic surgeries, and you're getting the suture with the trocar together. So you're saving time and you're saving money. So it's making easy for all the surgeon, from the very experienced surgeon to the beginner surgeon, to use this port and in minimum time. And it's very easy to use. So this is one of our solution in Gordian Surgical that we can launch also in the Indian market. What I can tell you from my experience, that here in Israel, all the surgeons loves it, and it's making them happy in the end of the procedure, after a bariatric long procedure, to have in the OR, in the operation room. So I will point now Ophir that he will continue from here, the Indian desk.
Yes, so thanks, Eran, and I won't keep you too long, as I know that I think that I'm the last speaker on the session today. And just to give you a brief about what it means, the India desk is part of Neopharm Supplies company, and to explain what we want to bring as part of the collaboration. So just to let you know, over the last year, myself together with Eran as part of Neopharm designed and established the India desk, which is basically a platform which intends to bring basically the markets together. Eran, as he humbly spoke about himself, is constantly screening global markets for new solutions in surgeries, but also in other domains, in healthcare domains. And of course, having his team can understand very good the demand in various markets for new solutions. We created the India desk, which intends to address the growing demand in the healthcare sector in India. And what we want to do is to enable accessibility of Indian key players in the medical equipment world with our supplying partners. What do I mean by supplying partners? It means all the companies that Neopharm represents today. Some of them, like Gordian, are established and work from Israel, some of them from other markets. Our intention is basically to create a connecting platform in order to enter the Indian market and to allow these companies who work in other places in the world to also work in the Indian market. Our intention in the discussion today and by going up on this platform is first, of course, to show Gordian and to let you know that, of course, Neopharm also has the mandate for representing it in the Indian market. And Gordian is basically seeking collaborations and seeking to find a representative in the Indian market in order to distribute its product there. And besides that, to encourage you to get in touch with us regarding also other companies and solutions, and in order to create a growing network for enabling Israeli and other companies to penetrate the Indian market with medical equipment solutions. So Eran's email address is here. We will also share our LinkedIn addresses and also my email address on the chat box. And thank you very much again for this opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It was a wonderful session. In fact, very good insights on how medical equipment supply chain can really foster and really take forward. I am seeing a lot of interest here from participants who want to connect, and I'm sure Hari will be able to connect them to both the counterparts in India and Israel itself. But looking forward, Eran, how do you think the India desk will be able to capitalize the current healthcare scenario in India? So would there be an expansion, or are you still trying to look at the same objectives?
So maybe I will take.
Yeah. Absolutely. Anyone.
Just a word about myself. I've been working between Israel and India in various domains for the past 13 years. And this new venture that's been growing over the last few months is also taking in mind and the conclusions that we took from other projects. By referring to your question and by going and discussing with various key stakeholders in this domain in India, we do see an expansion coming in the next coming years. It has been blocked or very put at a very slower pace because of the COVID-19. So we see a demand for specific products and a really stoppage at others. But we do see that if we look at the near future, let's say a year ahead, a year and a half ahead, then yes, definitely we do see expansion in this market. And we can tell you also that we see lots of enthusiasm from the companies that we represent. The companies, let's say, we'll just take Gordian as an example. They are very excited about the opportunity to enable this product in India. They haven't done it so far. And this platform is basically made in order to take these companies and allow them to sell in India, and also, of course, to find partners in the local market. We don't think that they are going to do it directly. They will need also representation and support for encouraging and selling their products.
Thanks a lot. Very informative. Thank you.